gents, welcome to another vlog. It's a beautiful day here in Brooklyn, and I'm on my way to Dumbo. It's 6 p.m. on a Wednesday, and I'm about to meet my buddy Joe. Valj Motos? Vaji? I'm not even sure. I gotta ask the man how to pronounce that shit, because I don't know. But Joe is my buddy from North Carolina, who's in New York City for a month or so. To come on, man. That was bad. He's here for a month or so from North Carolina to get some footage, and also he's a content creator. I'll link him below to his Instagram and his YouTube, but also he's working also. His partner works here, so it's kind of a combination. Of things. What's happening here? This big ass fucking truck, bro. What are you doing? I'm out of control for some reason. Now look at this. The line is right there. Like, see how the line is right there? So the fact that that person is there, I don't know. I think they don't realize that you gotta stop here. Okay. Anyway, so next, what I'm gonna tell you is that I'm really hot and I'm really worked up. I don't know why. I'm having like such a crazy anxious day, as you can tell by the last 1 minute of me riding. So I'm just kind of sending it, and it's super hot. I mean, my thermometer is saying 82 degrees. Feels much hotter, but I'm also wearing this leather jacket, my belt staff, which is kind of funny and inappropriate. But yeah, I'm meeting Joe right now to get some photos and videos and such. We might be working on my new intro for the channel, or just you know, whatever, some footage, some content, some pictures and video. Perfect out right now. The temperature is amazing. The sun is coming down. We do have a little bit of traffic here, but you know, that's inevitable. We're gonna lane split, get to the front. Yay. Such a cranky little bitch. I need to calm down. Calm down. I'm all worked up for no reason. And it was a micro little leak of oil from my bike from the side. I just got a major service done, Desmo service, and there's a tiny little bit of oil on the side, which I wiped down and shit, and I'm like, ugh, I don't want to deal with that. Better not have been the result of the Desmo service, but we'll see. Nice. The sun is going down. This is actually quite nice. This is actually quite perfect. This is actually quite perfect. Long day. Started today at like 7. Got a lot of work done. Tons of work done, because I have the next week off. Yeah, I have the next week off, and I have Friday off, and the next Monday off, so I have a week and a day or two off, so that's kind of nice. So that's why I'm kind of working extra hard this last couple of days. And yeah, this will be fun. I try to say yes to creating contact with other people, especially people who are not from around here. It's like a weird opportunity. That's what happened to me when I got my original intro done. A stranger asked if I want to, you know, do something together, and I was like, sure, let's do that. So we'll see. The thing is, you're probably not going to see this until like freaking September anyway. All crazy. Somebody honked. I don't know who that was, but we are almost there. We're meeting at 6:15. It's 6:09. I'm gonna pull up right on time. I'm one punctual motherfucker, tell you what. Most of my friends are punctual. That's how we roll. Being punctual is so important. Like, imagine wasting somebody else's time as if your own time is not valuable. Awful. Oh boy. Look at this sneaky bitch. Worse than me. These motherfuckers, man. Fucking pull up, dickhead. All these people are going straight, by the way, but they're in the turning lane because they're pieces of shit. That's why. Because they're fucking dickheads. That's exactly why. Well, they're also miserable. They're all commuting home from work. Imagine this is your commute home from work every day in a fucking car. Fucking A. That would be awful. You're fucking... Fucking people, man. I hate those people. I hate all those people. How is that for anger issues? Does that work? I hope so. Fucking tourism is gonna be wild in Dumbo around now. 6 p.m. Yeah. Wild mad. I don't know what we're waiting for. I'm not gonna run all the red lights now, just some of them. Yeah, I mean, that's not a bad move. I'm like seconds away from doing the same thing. I guess it doesn't matter. I'll wait. That's all right. I'll wait for the light to change. It happens. Here we go. And here we are. We made it. We made it. What up, what up? What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
Chilling, man.
You want me to follow you? Can we go to that spot that you sent me?
Yeah.
Let's so I'm gonna ride.
Okay.
And then just like post up, and we can like hit, like I saw this street right here.
Okay.
In like an hour, this is gonna be so dope.
Okay.
It'll be like blue hour, and you'll get like the water in the background.
All right.
And stuff. But for now, let's go see what that spot looks like. I haven't walked over there.
Is your boy coming or no?
He's right here, but he's gonna go up and work a little bit more.
Okay.
And then he's gonna come once we head towards your spot.
Okay.
So I'll just shoot with you around here, just you and I.
All right.
For like an hour.
Perfect.
And
Yeah.
then hopefully it's like blue hour. We'll head to your roof.
Sounds good.
Blue hour there, and then we'll wrap up.
Dope.
Dope.
Love it.
All right.
So you said you want to shoot this block, or you wanted me to lead you to my block?
Let's go to the block that you
Okay.
gave me, the location that you marked.
Okay.
That's like a dead end.
Mm-hmm,
You can chill over there.
Yeah.
And then hopefully like within the next hour, we'll make our way back over here, and this will be more chilled out. And we'll hit like, I love this street right here. So like, I might like park my bike, and then I have like a gimbal. So I would like just kind of like chase you down this street just on foot.
Okay.
You'll be going like pretty slow. It's nothing like super fast or anything. It's more so just like showing you in these locations.
Okay.
So like the spot we're going now, I'll probably like find a frame on camera, and then just have you like post up on the bike, and maybe like lean over the handlebars, like looking out. I don't know what it looks like over there.
Okay.
So we'll kind of figure
All right.
it out.
Yeah, I just want to make sure when you do follow me, I want to take off my backpack. I don't want to have like the backpack on and shit.
Yeah, I got you.
All right.
Yeah, for now we'll just shoot like stationary stuff.
Okay.
And whenever I follow you, can just throw it upstairs or on my bike or whatever.
Perfect.
But it's very loose. I don't have a
Hey.
specific plan or thing.
I like that. That's my style. Very loose.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. So there he is, my buddy Joe. We're gonna go to a block I know. So we'll do a spin around,
Okay.
but we sort of got this.
Okay. Yeah, this street is really crazy.
Yeah, it's dope, but we're gonna do a loop. I'll show you more.
Go.
Oh shit, I need my bike on for this. Yeah, look. See in there? Behind the fence? See that truck? There's a truck back there.
Bro,
See that?
that's insane.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, that's wild. That's nuts.
Yeah. like this. Yeah, so kind of like this area.
Yeah, maybe let's post up like right here.
It fucking stinks over there, eh?
Yeah, I know. Let me just set up my camera really quick. I'm gonna just pull off on the side right here. And
Okay.
back off and do that.
All right. Yeah, I feel like there's something around here.
100% there.
Oh.
For sure.
And then I went and got this stupid jacket, and I am hot, but I look cool.
Sick though.
Yeah, it's a dope one, right? Hmm?
That's so sick.
Yeah, this thing is fucking awesome.
Yeah, I followed them a while back. I never know like when to reach out to companies and stuff. I feel like they don't really send stuff out though.
Yeah, I don't think they really care.
Premium.
I mean, they got like, they're sponsoring like Ewan McGregor and shit
Yeah,
for,
yeah.
you know. Yeah, I emailed them a few times, but they're not.
You're leaving on Saturday, you said?
I am leaving Saturday morning.
Oh, yeah. And then you're gone till the following Saturday.
Following Saturday.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm off that Monday though. I don't know what the weather.